eventually.
Alright, all my subscribers, Captain Brad here, Mad Brad's Customs, and this is my marine fix. Check it out. I do a little bit of repairs on boats, but anyway, let's go back to this 4.0. I've been corrected. Make sure you say 4.0. Alrighty, this V6 is coming together. Yep. And I'm going to tell you what, I was really surprised. I know I got a lot more to go, but I've been like really struggling with what bolt goes where and them kind of things. But anyway, and then I was like, okay, if I got all the bolts, where the hell does the rest of these go? Laugh out loud on that one, but I'm pretty sure motor mounts, I'm pretty sure cross members, transmission mounts, all that's got to be done. But anyway, yeah, if I didn't take it off, then that don't matter either, hell. But generally, like, where did these go? Where'd they come from? Anyway, could be something to do with locking down the airbox, because there's a latch off of it. I don't know, but we'll find out. We'll be working on it, and hopefully by this weekend, we are going to have it in the car and running. All right, YouTubers, don't forget, like and subscribe. Where's old Gunner at today? Gunner taking a chill. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe. We need you, and you got to hit the like button. You got to subscribe. Thanks for everybody that has, and I'm just telling you right now, from me to you, I don't understand how some people got 10 videos and they got 7,000 subscribers. Anyway, that don't make sense to me. All right, YouTubers, don't forget, like and subscribe.